What's up, guys? Jason here, the Minto Show. Thanks for tuning in and thanks for being a subscriber. All right, guys, so it is Sunday. It is January 5th, and we are about, what's that, about maybe 16 hours before this snowstorm starts. It's going to start in the middle of the night tonight, like I think around 3 a.m. And we are projected to get 8 to 10 inches of snow down here. So I don't think that's going to change. We'll see if it holds true, though. But could be a little bit less, could be a little bit worse, but we're definitely gonna get some snow. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of snow prep today. Got the tractor warming up right now. It's already fueled, so it should be good to go. I need to grab some shovels out of my shed. I was gonna rearrange those IBC totes we just got the other day because they're just sitting over there. I don't like how they look. I want them to look nice and neat in a row. And then I was gonna grab another tote of wood and just put that up right up by the house. Because it's going to be cold, and I just don't want to be messing around with it. I just want it close to the house so we can just grab and go and burn and keep warm. So, and then I'm going to try to put the plow on the tractor and then just back it in the building, and I'll just go ahead, and when I start to plow, I'll just pull right out and go. So let me grab some winter shovels in here, snow shovels I got. Woo! All right, guys, got two shovels here. Got two different ones. I got ones with a curved handle. I got a straight handle, but I really do like the curved handle one. It actually saves a little bit on your back. But I grabbed some old tarps that I use for firewood. Sherilyn wanted me to try maybe like lay those on the steps. You know, just to keep the walkways clean, or maybe like leave an area that has grass for the dog. I'm gonna see. I have two of them laying here, so not really sure what I'm gonna do with them, where I'm gonna put them, but I guess we can see the results to see you know, how well those work. I think it'd be a good idea. I think it'll work really well. All right, let's go get the tractor out. Here we go. All right, guys, here we go. I'm gonna grab pallet forks right now. Always gotta make sure they're locked in there. Good. All right, let's grab this first one here. Completely missed it there in the first try. All right, guys, I have a row of pallets sitting right here, so I'm just gonna post them up right here in a nice little row. That way they look nice and neat. I just don't like everything scattered around. All right, let's grab the second one. Yeah, I know some of you guys commented how good Maggie did on the tractor. Yeah, she runs it really good. I'm really proud of her. It's always a huge help. All right, here comes the second one. I only got 4 to put over here, so plenty of room. Oh no! Fell right off, guys. I'm not as smooth as Maggie is. Wow. I think we're good. All right, guys, this is the third one. Oh man, I tell you what. That one is really giving me some trouble, huh? I don't know what the problem is with it, but she does not like it. All right. One more to grab. All right, let's grab the last one. Let's grab the last one. All right, this is the last one. I had to set it down at an angle because I got some stuff in the way here. I can't maneuver around. And there's neighbor Reese. Neighbor Reese is driving by. Good to see you, Reese. Happy New Year. All right, guys, there we go. All nice in a row. Doesn't that look nice, though? Oh, yeah. So you can see those new ones I got. Those are the three on the right. They're definitely a little bit shorter. I think that's a 300 and some gallon. These might be 275, so. Yeah, looks good though. This ones have a nice metal bottom, the new ones I got. And that one has the plastic, so. As well, it's plastic than metal. This is all plastic, there's a plastic and metal. But I still gotta cut out the squares in the middle. The access points, but yeah, I'm really happy with that. All right, let's go grab a thing of wood, a tote of wood, and we'll take it to the front of the house. I'll tell you what though, guys, it is cold out here. It's saying it's 31 degrees with 16 mile an hour winds. I don't know what the feel like is, but it's a little nippy out here. Uh-oh. Hey now. There we go. Make this turn right here by the little trees. And we're off. Come on, guys, let's go. So as you guys can see, there's another basket right here. I keep next to the driveway. It's about the bottom, quarter. So I'll keep that one for later, but this one will be a fresh one right by the doorstep. All right, guys, before I put this down, I need to grab it by the other side of it. Because this side where the forks are at now, I want that to be right by the sidewalk. So when you come down the steps, you know, you're pulling right from the little opening. So I gotta move. All right, so we're just going around here. I'm gonna grab from this side. And then we'll put her in place. There we go. All right, so the goal is come down the steps. I'll just set it right here to the side. All right, guys, just gonna go with it right here. There we go. That'll be perfect. All right, guys, so there we go. So now she's like really close. I know this looks terrible, right? This looks awful in front of my house. Like, that just looks disgusting, right? I don't think the wife's gonna like that. I don't like it either. That just looks terrible. But you know what? There's a winter storm coming, and it's gonna be a mess. And I just want to be able to get to the wood quick. You know, just run out of the steps here. Come down the steps, just grab it and go right back in. There's no going across. No, I usually have to go down the sidewalk here, across the driveway over there by the wood shed. Forget all that. I'm just gonna put it there. And once you get everything cleaned up, I'll move it again. It's no big deal. But I'm looking for convenience, you know, for this storm. And I want to stay warm too. All right, guys, I'm gonna drop the forks. We'll put the new snowplow on. I'm thinking about backing into the garage, and I can just, you know, start pushing right out of the garage. All right, guys, just gotta take off the locks. Here we go. Yes, release her. And that's it. I'm having a really hard time hooking this up because it's not flat, so I'm going to move it. As you can see, it's not clipped in on the right side. It's just because it's the hillside on the left here is just completely crooked. When we set it down, it was just a mess. So let's see. There we go. There we go, guys. Now she's in there. Now she's in there. All right. There we go. All right, she's all locked in. That was a mess. That'd be nice though, right? Looks good. All right, guys, so she's all hooked up, looking good. That's how she looks. Quite a bit of distance there. But you can see the whole plow from the cab though. That looks really cool. All right, guys, I'm gonna back her in the garage here. That way we can just start plowing right out of the gate here. right, guys, so she fit right into the garage. I had to move a few things in the back, but I got her in there, and she was ready to go. We'll just roll right out of here. I need to look at the manual, but you know, these snowplows, reading the manual a little bit, it was saying that you could also use it like non-snow related. You could use it like light fluffy dirt, maybe mulch. Like you could use this to push it. So I'm pretty sure it talked in here. This is the top of it. Down here by the springs, on both sides, there's 2 bolts. And I'm pretty sure these bolts means it's in the lock position for like moving like loose dirt or mulch. I think I need to take these bolts out, so if I hit something, the springs will activate, and you know it'll give it leeway, because right now it's completely bolted together. So I think that's the only thing I need to do. I'll just grab a wrench and a socket set, and I'll take those bolts out. But I'm pretty sure those have got to come out. So, all right, guys. So that's it. I think my storm preparation is ready to go. I got shovels, tractor's ready, firewood's ready. We already got groceries. So, yeah, I'm pretty sure I'll be working from home tomorrow. So, I think they're just gonna, base is probably gonna get shut down for the day, or it's like liberal leave, whatever. But yeah, so we'll get that, work from home, and then we'll probably start plowing, I'm thinking, at night, because this storm's gonna go, I think, all day until like 6 at night. So I'll probably start then, because I'd rather just let it all fall, and then I'll just clear it all instead of getting out back and forth, and we're not going to go anywhere. So, all right, guys. So if you're getting some snow, I hope you're out there. Maybe you're enjoying it. Just please be safe. It should be a fun one. I'm kind of excited. I think there was already talk about maybe another storm next weekend, but I think on one might be a little too far to like predict. But they were talking it could be another. I know on the Apple weather app, it was showing another 8 inches next weekend, but then it changed to like an inch. So, I mean, that's still a ways away. That weather pattern's gonna come through, and then, you know, it's all gonna change. So, all right, guys, that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for the subscriber, and we'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.